Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can upgrade your ClickUp account. How if you want to buy the premium one, you can also do that. So let's start how we can do that. So first of all, what we have to do simply we have to click on the upgrade. If you want to upgrade your account, so we have to click on the upgrade. If you want to upgrade your account, then we have to click on the upgrade. And after clicking on the upgrade, as you can see, this is we have to wait for a few seconds. We will be able to see some packages. So as you can see, these are the packages unlimited. The cost of this package is $7, and in this $7 you will get these all things, all free plan features, unlimited storage, and these all things are mentioned here. If you are gonna buy this one, which is costly, which is cost $12, and you will get these all things here. As you can see, these are the yearly packages. If you want to buy the monthly, you can also do that. The monthly charges will be $10 and $19. If you want to buy this yearly, you can also do that. So these all types of packages are provided. For example, I'm going to choose this one. So let's click on unlimited, and after that we have to choose the bill monthly or the yearly. So I'm going to choose this monthly, and after clicking on this we have to provide the payment details. And after providing the payment details, as you can see, 30 days money back guarantee is also provided here. If you're going to cancel this, you'll get the money back. And after that, as you can see, you have to provide the payment details, and after providing the payment details, you have to hit the upgrade button, and you will be able to use that. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can get the premium of ClickUp. So see you guys in the next video.